everybody, this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, this is our day 6 vlog for St. Maarten. So, in St. Maarten, we got up in the morning. I went jogging, like I always do. And then, we didn't have a lot of time to fool around, so we went to the buffet, had breakfast.
Our typical breakfast, bacon, eggs.
Simple, normal stuff. And then, we hit the pier and did some port shopping. And then at about 10 o'clock, we went to the Mahalo Beach Transfer Excursion, which took us over to the airport, and we got to watch airplanes fly overhead real close. That was actually kind of fun. We probably spent 40 minutes just standing on the beach, watching airplanes fly over, put our hands up.
Airplanes taking off. I'm just sitting here watching.
We had so we got some good videos of that we'll make into its own video.
We were watching a couple of planes take off, and we're like, what's the big deal? What's all the hoo-ha about all these people telling us that you can't stand, because they tell you there is a place where on the side there it's blocked off where you can't stand at the fence anymore. They have it blocked off. You can't stand at the fence, but you can stand on the other side of the street on the beach. And we're like, okay, that was nothing. What are you guys all talking about? But then...
What's the big deal? And then a 737 decided to take off. And he decided to stop, relax for a couple of minutes, and then he powered up the engine.
That's a good video.
Me and this guy were standing right on the sand on the beach, or right on the street, last where the sand is. And he powered up those engines, and we started blowing.
They all blew away. I was the last one standing.
Joni was standing there behind us and got it on a video, so this should be a pretty good video.
So watch for that video. It'll be a separate video.
But yeah, that actually, you're eating sand at some point.
Oh yeah.
Very fun.
Sand all over the place. You're blown. Yeah, you are blown away. Literally.
It was definitely worth the experience to do once. At least once.
And then we went and sat and had lunch at their
then we went to the Sunset Bar, is what it was called, right there. Had lunch.
Had some pictures of the planes taking off, literally right there, which is nice. Landing.
And then so I had some coconut shrimp there, and
had mozzarella sticks.
I had their sunset tan.
And I had
Sex on the beach. Or no, you had a rum punch, yeah.
So, but yeah, we just sat there for a quick snack, just to get something to eat while we're waiting to go back.
And the time was up, and we got back on the bus, and we had a little ride back, a little sightseeing on the way back. They pointed stuff out as we were driving through St. Maarten, give us a little history. The only big bummer of the whole thing on the way out, there was a big accident, so it took about an extra 30 minutes to get there.
Yeah.
No biggie. So then we got back to the port shopping area, and we went shopping, which is what we always do, shop at these places.
What I do best.
And then after that, we went to Spice H2O. We met up with some people that we had met on the cruise from Massachusetts, and
Brenda from Boston,
we
and her husband and Larry. Yeah, it was nice.
Sat in the hot tubs and shot the shit for 45 minutes. And then Joni went to go get ready to go to dinner, and I went down to the spa and got a quick steam and a quick therapy pull in. And then we decided to have dinner at the Tropicana room, the main dining room. Now the food was okay. Actually, the food was good.
Food was good.
The service at the beginning was a little slow. They were jammed.
They were very, very busy. So you gotta, even with did we have reservations?
We had
reservations, but it still was busy.
Recommendation is make reservations, even to Taste and Savers.
Definitely make reservations for the the main dining rooms, but it was good. Everything, the food was good. I had my cheese baked ziti, and I had the meatballs were the entree, appetizer. So I had some meatballs for appetizer and my baked ziti for my entree. So we had our wine.
Good deal.
So it was nice, and our dessert. So
then we went out and did pictures, and then we went up to the Bliss Lounge, and they had some Latin music going on. Kind of nice. We sat there for 15-20 minutes listening to that, waiting for the go down to the headliners to watch the comic Dalen Mandison, and he was pretty good. It was kind of the PG-13 crowd.
Yeah, he could only.
Kids were allowed, but
so he had to be. He had to be.
He had to be good. He couldn't be raunchy. So that was very good. And then we went to the local, had some apple pie.
Gonna have our nightly snack of apple pie and ice cream.
And then after that, we decided we were going to go up and watch the 80s party for a little while. We spent about 45 minutes up there. That was pretty
So
comical.
out there they have, on the big screen there, they have the music videos, which is cool.
And TV music videos,
and they were all dancing, and the cruise directors and all the guys, the people there were all dressed up, and that was funny. It was cute.
It was fun. That actually was fun. It was nice. And then, because we had to get up early, St. John's was an early port day. We went to bed before midnight. We're old people, we get it. But we had a good time. That was a very good time yesterday.
But I didn't wear my 80s garb. I didn't have my globe things that I brought. I forgot to bring them up from the room, and but next time.
So that was a good deal.
No, when we were at O'Shea's for our snack, we met a couple.
Yeah, we met another couple.
The lady and the daughter. It was funny. She was cute. The daughter was cute. Reminded us of our AJ.
Of our granddaughter.
Our granddaughter AJ. So the girl just sat there, was like, whatever. And then her mom they were telling the story of their excursion, and she's like, oh, no. This is how it went.
How bad it went.
So it was quite funny. The girl, then she perked up.
They took a taxi somewhere, and the taxi driver tried to rip them off.
Yeah, so
it was not a good deal.
So the
you can watch me hide a duck.
Yeah. That's where the duck is.
We put a duck here. We're sitting in the bowling alley.
Hide our duck.
I hid my duck. My duck is hidden if anybody finds it. Okay, so that was our St. Maarten Day 6 video log. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch up on our other videos, and watch for the plain ones on Mahau Beach.
Yeah.
Those, we're gonna have a few of them, but that one.
There'll be one with a side-by-side video, which should be pretty good.
Once we get back home, we'll be able to post those. This hopefully should be some good. So keep an eye out for our videos. Hope you like our videos, and hope you commenting, commenting, liking, and subscribing. We are just doing this for fun. We're not
in it for any kind of money or anything like that.
We're not monetized of any kind.
Just for us.
Yep, we're not monetized, but it brings our channel up, I guess, into the YouTube thing.
Gets a better circulation.
So if you like, subscribe, share, comment below, it brings us up, and then more people will see it. And that's all we want. We want some subscribers to see we're just doing it for fun, just to show people our experiences and share our experiences, and that's all.
And hopefully we help people in the future.
Yeah,
okay, guys.
We're just having fun.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thanks for watching.
Chris
and Joan.
Chris and
Joe's Travels.
Night.